I'm having a hard time finding a description of what's going on with this Traxxas Slash on the internet. So I guess I'll just make a video. It runs fine unless you brake hard or start hard, and listen to this noise. I thought it was a slipper clutch, super bad maybe, or differentials. Oh, it's a terrible noise. Just screeching, barking. And you know, I pull the motor off. Yeah, I was running that without both the bolts in. You know, I was thinking, oh, motor bearings maybe. You know, pull the motor off. Sounds great. But I can't do this with one hand. Can I? Get my glove on real quick. So if I stop this, the output shaft. All right, let me see if I can do this gently. I don't want to damage this motor, obviously. Well, I mean, might have to rebuild it, just replace it, but little throttle. You hear that? I can't find anywhere on the internet if that's normal or, you know, like, oh, what do I even search? Bound up output shaft, brushless motor sound or something. I can't figure it out. Obviously, you don't want that happening to your motor. That's terrible. But gosh, that thing was so loud. It would rip around just fine, but that noise was just brutal. Everyone around just plugged their ears. So we're going to get into that motor. You know, I'm rummaging through all my Allen wrenches, trying to find the best possible fit. I find one that fits great. These are so tight. I'm going to strip these out. This is such a pain. I hate this stuff. Like, do they thread lock this? Is that what the deal is? Am I going to have to like drill these out once I strip them? That's so annoying. Got them. That was not easy. My fingers hurt. All right, holy cow, that's a strong magnet. And I'm not finding, oh, there's no obvious issues down here, which you can't see. I shook anything out to see if there's debris or something like that. I don't know if this is supposed to spin on the shaft, right? Because you power the coil, it spins the magnet, and should be spinning the shaft. So why does that spin? This collar doesn't. And there's nothing, all right, this collar just, oh gosh, sits on the back end. There's nothing that clamps that together. Uh-oh. Where did that come from? I need to do some research. Like, it's really not stationary. Of course, there's no green thread locker. I need green. I have to order this and wait a few days. O'Reilly's is great. They got this green thread locker down to my local shop that same day. Love it. So good. Anyway, I'm going to, that magnet. Gonna get some green thread locker down in here, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, I glued it. I let it sit for 24 hours. Always follow the instructions, right? I don't want that question mark floating in my head. Let's see. Oh yeah, the sound is all gone. Might be a little gear noise, but there we go. That was it. You know, you would think that it wouldn't drive at all with that magnet off the shaft. Huh, weird. And done.